Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to check IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method, you just have to open the DL pad, and here you have to enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and you can see your IMEI number. In the second method, open settings, go to the About section, phone identity, and here you can find your IMEI number, and also you can find your serial number in the software information, more. Now here's a build number. Let's try maybe in network. No, not in legal information for sure. Okay. I haven't noticed it right away. Here you have device serial number right under your IMEI number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.